Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to find Tether or USDT wallet address on Crypto.com. A withdrawal from the Crypto.com app is a transaction of transferring crypto from the Crypto.com environment to an external address, usually a wallet or an exchange. All blockchain transactions, contrary to sending crypto to another Crypto.com app user, come with a fee. You can find the relevant withdrawal fee in the fees and limits section of the settings in your Crypto.com app. To do so, go to Accounts and tap on Crypto Wallet. Then tap the Transfer button, withdraw an external wallet. Now click on the plus Add Wallet Address button or the plus in the upper right corner. After that, go to Wallet Address to add a new withdrawal address. Here, select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. On the Wallet Address Details page, select the network you wish to use. Type, paste, or scan the withdrawal address. Tap the blue QR code icon to scan the address. Then give your wallet a name and hit continue. Now complete the verification required here. If you're using a trusted device, you will be required to enter your passcode. If you're using an untrusted device, you will be required to verify with your passkey if it's set up, or enter your passcode and the 6-digit verification code generated by your authenticator app. In this way, you'll easily find the Tether/USDT wallet address on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.